What you're about to witness isn't just a repair. It is the resurrection of a forgotten giant. They said its heart would never beat again. But beneath the rust and decay lies a powerful secret. A soul of steel waiting to be awakened. The journey to rebirth begins now. Within this machine, a testament to American engineering, but time has been unkind, leaving its mark. The layers of grime tell a story of neglect. The careful process of disassembly begins. Each part is carefully removed, a piece of the puzzle, the entire underbelly, a canvas of corrosion. Heavy machinery is brought in for the heavy lifting. The hood is lifted, revealing the darkness within. The engine's lifeblood begins to drain away. A final, dark offering from the dormant heart. The engine is freed, exposed to the light of day. The deconstruction continues, bolt by bolt. A methodical stripping of the old and worn, hands coded in the history of the machine. A pool of oil, the remnants of a past life. The old engine sits, a monument to what was. It is carefully transported, its fate uncertain. The first steps of restoration are taken. A powerful cleansing washes away the years of neglect. Every surface is blasted clean, revealing its true form. A transformative baptism of water and pressure. The oil pan is removed, unveiling the engine's core. Each component set aside for inspection. The intricate process of internal disassembly. A steady hand is required for this delicate work. The old gaskets, brittle with age, are removed. Deeper and deeper, the exploration continues. Every component is meticulously cleaned. Holding a piece of history in a gloved hand. Specialized tools are needed to unlock its secrets. This is where craftsmanship meets determination. The machine yields its components one by one, a relentless pursuit of perfection. The final pieces of the old engine are taken apart. Now, the skilled process of reconstruction begins. The engine block sits, waiting for its revival. With precision, the first new parts are introduced. A foundation is laid for the heart's rebirth. Each screw and bolt cleaned and ready. Patience and focus are paramount. The engine begins to take shape once more. Its complex web of wires and parts, a challenge to solve. Another piece fitted, another step closer. Signs of past trauma are still visible. Probing and cleaning, ensuring a perfect rebuild. The old parts are cataloged with care. Even the smallest components are vital. The architecture of the engine is laid bare. The slow, deliberate process of reassembly, wiping away the last remnants of the past, applying torque, securing the engine's future. A clean surface, a fresh start. The careful hands of a master at work. The engine is now prepared for its new body. Attention now turns to the vehicle's frame. The exhaust system, rusted and worn, is inspected. Under the hood, a hollow space waits. In the workshop, new parts are forged. Sparks fly as metal is shaped and refined. A perfect fit, crafted with expertise. The old exhaust is carefully dismantled. Stubborn components require force and finesse. A specialized tool for a challenging task. The larger metal parts are painstakingly cleaned. Every inch is prepared for the next stage. Another high-pressure wash, this time for the body parts. Stripping away the dirt to reveal the raw metal. An arsenal of components, all undergoing renewal. The front end of the truck stripped to its core. The cabin's interior wiring is exposed. A complex network that must be brought back to life. Even the transmission is open for inspection. A thorough cleansing of the engine bay. The undercarriage is blasted clean of all grime. From the ground up, a complete transformation. A fresh coat of paint provides protection and new life. The engine receives its new resilient skin. The gray coating, a symbol of its rebirth. The newly painted engine stands ready. The final details are carefully tended to. Polishing the manufacturer's plate, honoring its heritage. The exhaust manifold gasket is carefully placed. Bolts are tightened, securing the reborn components. The engine is adorned with its vital parts. The bright yellow oil filter, a splash of new color. Piece by piece, the powerhouse is reassembled. The old flywheel is forcibly removed. A heavy, crucial piece of the drivetrain. The surface is ground smooth for a perfect connection. The new clutch components are prepared for installation. The rebuilt clutch is mounted to the reborn engine. The transmission housing is wiped clean. The old shifter assembly, a relic of past journeys. The truck's body begins to reflect its inner changes. The final assembly connects the steering and suspension. Force is required to seat the new components. The new oil filter is installed on the engine. The starter motor is carefully positioned. Working underneath. Connecting the final pieces. Every bolt is tightened to precise specifications. The accelerator linkage is attached. The battery terminal is cleaned for a solid connection. A new spark plug, ready to ignite the fire within. Connecting the ignition system. The distributor cap is secured in place. The throttle cable is routed through the engine bay, powered by Ford, a badge of honor. The engine bay, once hollow, is now full of potential. Adjusting the fan shroud for proper clearance. The cooling fan is carefully guided into place. The radiator hose is connected. The revitalized fan assembly is complete. The engine receives its fresh supply of oil, the golden liquid, the lifeblood of the reborn machine. Final connections are made to the new battery. A hand on the shifter. A moment of anticipation. The new parts are laid out, ready for the final push. The carburetor, the lungs of the engine, is inspected. Coolant is added, preparing the beast to run. The truck stands complete, reborn from the ground up. A rugged beauty, ready for a new chapter. Final checks and adjustments under the hood. Fine-tuning the heart of the machine. Every linkage, every connection, tested from a pile of rust to a chained beast. The open road awaits its return. The journey from the workshop to the world.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Simon Fordman for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.